Hello everybody. In this mini project I'm gonna show you taxi booking management system in CodeIgniter. First I'm gonna log in. After login you can see calendar event system on dashboard. Driver name, pickup address to drop off address, origin to destination. You can see profile, you can add company, you can see booking modules, booking date, booking time, customers, number of passengers, pickup address, drop off address, return or not, if return then date, return time, flight number, total fare, paid or unpaid, payment method, type of taxi, and driver name, customer type, source of booking. We're gonna save. We save the booking and we can see this on our calendar. We can add customer, we can manage user or staff, email, password, first name, picture, date of birth, phone number, user type, office driver, admin, status. This is our database, company, customers, users. The database I have included with the project. Taxis.sql. In CodeIgniter, in application, web controller, bookings, company, customers, login, profile, users. We have model and we have views. Thanks for watching this tutorial.